towards your L-shaped living and dining area. So this is your living and dining area, the beautiful kitchen area with open kitchen concept. This is the master bedroom, the entrance over here. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Brigade LTS, which is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, a project by Brigade Group. And today we are here to check out their 3.5 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office. We'll be getting all the details and information of the project and about the land parcel. It's just on my left hand side where the construction work is going on. Now let's start with the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this is total 6.5 acres of land parcel with 3 iconic towers with total 43-story buildings, which includes 2 basement, ground plus 3 level of car parking, 5th and 4th floor for the clubhouse, and from the 6th floor it will start your residencies tower. And here you'll be getting 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK, 4 BHK and 4 BHK duplex premium residencies. Now about the amenities parts of this project has 30 plus luxurious amenities like of you can check out. Here is the basketball court, multi-purpose court, swimming pool with deck, and the clubhouse include other amenities like spa, gymnasium and many more, even the business center. And one more plus point in this iconic tower that there is this skywalk. So this is the skywalk which connects all the 3 towers. Now coming to the location part, so this project is located exactly on OMR ECR Link Road in Sholinganallur, Chennai. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So nearest metro station is 50 meters from the project and Wipro is 1 kilometer away. Orchard International School 2 kilometers away from the project. Mahindra Tech Park 3 kilometers away. And ECR Beach is 4.5 kilometers away from the project. So now we are here to check out their 3 BHK sample flat of 2208 square feet. And now let me show you, this is the main entrance of the house, but the separate entrance for the maid's room as well. Now we'll be entering towards your main house, that is your living and dining area from here. So here is the digital door lock for your security purpose, and once you enter, this is the foyer area. And we'll be entering towards your L-shaped living and dining area. So this is your living and dining area, your living area over here. You can even check out the beautiful interior work done over here for your reference. And now, the balcony. So this is the beautiful balcony with anti-skid flooring, that is the wooden finishing flooring, toughened glass railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered as well. And now one thing to show, this is the niche area, so you can use it in a multi-purpose way. Asked me, I will be converting into the Devghar. So now this side is the dining area. You can set your dining table over here, and this is the kitchen area, the beautiful kitchen area with open kitchen concept, and you can check out the interior work as well with the platform, with the serving platform, cabinets, and it is connected to the utility area as well. So the utility area is divided with the tile drop, and once you enter you can check out the window and the platforms as well. And here is the second entrance for your maid's room. So here we go. So here starts the maid room. You can check out with the anti-skid tiles over here, and this is the washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And this is the bedroom area with the bed space over here. Isn't it spacious? And here they have even provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now let's move further towards your other bedroom space. So this unit is a butterfly concept. Your bedroom number 1, that is your guest bedroom, is on my left hand side, and other bedrooms on my right hand side. So first let's check out your guest bedroom. So this is your beautiful bedroom. Once you enter, you can check out the space over here. This is your bed space. You can set your wardrobe like this over here, and here there's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And exactly beside that comes the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards another bedroom, so walking through your living and dining area. Here comes the bedroom number 2 exactly in front of the dining area. So this is the space. You can check out the bed space, the wardrobe space, the window, a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. The interior is over here. You can check out, this is a kid's bedroom, so they have even added a study table and a chair over here. Now we'll be moving further towards the master bedroom, but before that let me tell you what all features Housey provides you all. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Just schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. Now just follow me and we'll be entering towards the master bedroom. But on the way over here is the common washroom on my right hand side. So this is the common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now this is the master bedroom, the entrance over here. You can check out the flooring, the wooden finishing flooring, the bed space, a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and here you can check out the wardrobe space as well. And now exactly opposite to the window, here comes the washroom area with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings with the shower glass partition as well. And one more thing that we missed out is the cross window for the cross ventilation, and so this is the cross window. So this was all about this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at Brigade Group's project. Have you checked another project with this developer? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details, all is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.